A sustainable garden works in harmony with nature. There are many techniques that can improve the health of your garden and minimize any negative impact on the environment. Most are easy and fun and will save you time in the long run. Sustainable gardening includes organic gardening, native plants and trees, double digging, vermicomposting, backyard composting, drip irrigation, mulch, and the idea of recycling and reusing materials. Organic gardening is growing food without the use of petrochemical pesticides, herbicides, and inorganic fertilizers that can pollute our soil and water. It relies on the use of beneficial insects, diversity of plants, and the use of compost to supply the soil with nutrients. Planting native plants and trees is one of the best ways to work with, rather than against, nature. By matching plant species to your particular area, you will have plants and trees that take less care and energy and will be healthier than an exotic species. Another benefit is that native birds, insects, and other wildlife have evolved with native plant species and are able to use the fruits, nectars, and habitats these plants and trees provide. Double digging helps the soil hold more water. It improves aeration and places organic material at a depth that enables plant roots to adequately extend. Worm composting is a fun and easy way to have a supply of pure organic plant food available at all times. All you need to start is a shallow bin that allows air to circulate, bedding, and worms. The castings that worms produce are a great fertilizer for plants, and vermicomposting is an excellent way to keep food waste out of the garbage. Backyard composting is a method of returning organic waste back into a nutrient-rich soil amendment. Good compost contains huge food resources that plants need to grow. Ultimately, compost improves plant health by supplying nutrients to the soil. There are three methods of composting. Hot, cold or trenching, and good compost can be achieved by using any of the three. Drip irrigation is a controlled, slow application of water that flows under low pressure through plastic pipe or hose laid along each row of plants. The water drips out of the tiny holes that are made in the hose wall or from fittings called emitters that are plugged into the wall at proper spacing. Soil moisture remains constant and air is always available to the plants. By delivering water directly to the plants, little is lost to evaporation or runoff, so this technique is very water efficient. A variety of emitters allow the proper amount of water to be delivered to each individual plant. It is one of the best techniques for watering gardens, fruit trees, vines, and even container plants. Mulch protects the soil by helping it retain moisture. It suppresses weeds and insulates plants from extreme temperatures. Any material, such as wood chips, straw, nutshells, paper, sawdust, leaves, seaweed, and even grass clippings or compost can be used as a mulch. Mulching is a way to recycle materials that might otherwise be discarded and simultaneously improve your soil. Items that are normally thrown away can be used in a garden. Paint stirring sticks and old forks can be used to display vegetable seed packets. A broken pot can be a toad house. An old chair or table could be used to hold container plants. Make your garden fun and whimsical and a joy to visit. Rigid black plastic pots that bring plants into your garden can be returned to nurseries for growers to reuse.